This is me, Percy Double 10 unboxing, and today we're going to unbox or unbag this thing right here. Oh shoot! So this is a USB Type C to USB. So this is a Type C to USB adapter or whatnot. So I'm going to use this adapter on the phone that I'm currently using to record this unboxing or unbagging and or unpacking or whatever you call it. So now let's go to open it. So here's Mr. Snip Whitehill. So Mr. Snip, we're gonna dissect this packaging, or could I like just open it apart, like tear it? I don't know, I'm not sure. I guess let's just cut it open right here. Oh no, it's a delicate package, guys, because the cable is pretty small. I don't want to break it. Oh come on, it didn't open. What the? I guess the only way to open is to stab it. Or can I like just rip it apart? Is that even freaking possible? Oh yes, it's possible to rip it apart, but I don't want to destroy the, the freaking main packaging itself. So I guess let's just open it. I hope this item works and whatnot. Oh, it's in here. So here's the item. So here it is. So now I'm gonna remove it in its freaking package. There we go. So it's in a bubble wrap case, as you can see right there. So now here's the bubble wrap itself. So I'm gonna pop it for you guys. There we go, some ASMR from Percy Double 10 unboxing. And here's the USB Type C to USB 3.0. So this is a 3.0 cable, as you can see right there. So this was shipped from China, so it took about 1 week to come to get delivered to my country. As you can see, nothing else in here, nothing else in this packaging and whatnot, nothing special. So now here's the cable itself. As you can see, please focus camera. There you go. So here's the cable itself, I mean the adapter or whatnot. So it's a USB Type C, as you can see right there, USB Type C to USB. Oh no, so my camera flash got removed and whatnot, so I guess I'm going to put this on my backup flashlight. So here's the cable, the adapter itself. So as you can see, so here's the USB Type C port, I mean the plug, the male Type C, and here's the female USB 3.0. So I'm going to plug this 7-port USB hub that I've reviewed on this channel. So if you want to see this review, the link will be down in the description below or whatnot, or you can just find it on my channel. So as you can see, just plug this USB to the port hub to the port itself. As you can see right there. Oh, but it's right. There you go. Now it's plugged in. There you go. Now it's plugged in. As you can see, now you can plug this USB hub to your Type C devices, or your Type C phone, like this phone that I'm using right now and that I'm currently using right now. So that's why I bought this thing, because so that I can plug this USB hub to my phone and use like a keyboard or whatnot and a mouse, or I can just like use a flash drive or external hard drive to like plug it in on my phone and file exchange and whatnot. So as you can see right now, it's my flash drive itself. There you go, nothing special. So there. So I guess there's nothing more to this item itself. So for my thoughts, so it's worth it and whatnot for the size and for the price. And yeah, it only does one thing, just plug your USB and stuff so it can work on Type-C devices and yeah, nothing else to say apart from it works. And yeah guys, that's it, nothing else. So comment down below what video shall I do next. Like this video and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you can get notified when I upload a new video. And yeah, that's it guys. By the way, that's why I didn't test this product, because I don't have the time to like test it anymore. And yeah, that's it. See you again guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's